Hello gorgeous, my name is Jen. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, I'm going to show you the new liquid lipstick from DIOR in the classic color 999. This is the liquid version and I will do comparisons with the satin version and also the matte. So if you're interested in knowing how the three of them look, keep on watching. Here are the three finishes together. This one is the satin finish, then we have the matte, then the liquid. So with that information in mind, now let's see how they look on the lips. To begin, we'll start with the satin finish. This one comes in the classic beautiful packaging, and because it was part of the holiday collection, it has beautiful little stars in them. This was part of a collection that came with 6 of the lipsticks, and this is the one that we're gonna apply first. This is the way it looks. It's a satin finish. It does not have an ultra high shine, but it does last for a while, and also it is transferable. So it's like a regular lipstick. It's not something that will dry up and you would be able to eat and it will still be on you. So even though it's transferable, I really love it and I wear it often. So now let's move on to number 2. Moving on to the matte version. This one is the same color and it also came in the holiday collection, so it has a little snowflakes in them. It's beautiful. And one thing to note is that when you remove the other lipstick, the satin finish, it does not stain the lips, so that's a plus for me. And here we have the matte finish. It's a regular matte. It's not ultra matte and it's very comfortable in the lips, unlike a lot of matte lipsticks in the market, which tend to dry your skin and actually feel that you need to moisturize often. This one I have worn for a long time and I never felt any dryness of my lips. So I love it and I am glad that I got the 2 finishes in that collection. And now let's take a look at the infamous 999 in the liquid version of DIOR. Okay, so before I continue, I just wanted to point out that I do see that it's obviously pigmented. It's beautiful, but to achieve the color of the other 2 formulas, you do have to do 2 layers, I'm thinking, because right now and I don't think it has anything to do with the fact that I have foundation on my lips. Right now it looks like a faded 999, so I'm gonna do the rest of my lips and then I'm gonna go again with another coat to see how it looks. Okay, so this is one coat. It's not a matte finish. It dries fairly quickly and I do feel like it's a little sticky, but I just applied it, so maybe in a few minutes it won't be anymore. But I don't feel like I have a heavy lipstick or a heavy liquid lipstick like other formulas. So far so good. I do feel like you would need, in order to achieve the true 999 color, you would need 2 coats, but that's not something that I worry about. I like reapplying lipstick and I don't mind using several coats of the same lipstick to achieve the shade that I want. I have waited a few minutes for it to dry to see the true final result of the liquid lip, and it does, with 2 coats you can achieve the true 999 color. That is for sure. The color is there, the pigment is there. However, I think that with this formula you would have to wait until it dries completely to be able to get your lips together, because when you do that before the lipstick dries completely, I can see already here that it's not that it worn off, but that is not as intense, and it dried a little patchy right here. So, and then in the bottom is fine, it's just on the top, it's a little weird. So I'm thinking that because I was doing this before it dried completely, then that's what it damaged a little bit the look on the top lip. But that didn't happen to me with other liquid lipsticks. So that's something to keep in mind if you are looking into purchasing this formula. And now, the ultimate test of a liquid lipstick. Let's see if it transfers. There you go. There's nothing here. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this type of videos of luxury reviews and demos, feel free to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you want to see more swatches and written reviews, feel free to join me on my Instagram. I have all the information down in the description box of all the 3 lipsticks and also some links that you might be interested in. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Comes in this beautiful packaging with the Dolce & Gabbana.